If your speakers or the headphones are popping, crackling, or hissing with statics, it's almost never a broken speaker, it's usually a setting in Windows, so let's fix that. The first thing I wanted to do is to right click to the speaker icon into your taskbar, like this. And we wanted to open the sound settings. Under the actual element that says output, select your device, which in this case is this one. And in here, what you wanted to do is to click into the audio enhancement, and sometimes you wanted to turn that off. So inside here, we have the device default effects. So you wanted to turn the audio enhancement off. Really important, because these are meant to boost the sound quality, but a lot of devices, they're actually causing the crackling, for example. So still in that same output device menu, you're going to click into advanced, which in my case, I believe to appear directly down here where it says sound. We have now the element here already been enabled. I'm going to click directly inside here and into advanced settings. Usually what I wanted to do is to make sure that you wanted to test the audio after each changed. Sometimes your current format just isn't fully supported by the hardware, and switching it clears the crackle instantly. Now, something else is the spatial audio. Usually what I do, if you already have 3D spatial sound for your headphones, you can enable those. In my case, I'm going to focus only for off. And here into the format, usually what I do is to just leave this directly with the 2 channels, 24 and 48 studio quality. Just stick around with this specific elements. Really, really important to take that in mind. We don't need more than that. So here to test, and if everything sounds correctly, you're actually good to go. Now, I'm going to update and roll back to my audio driver just in case. So I'm going to head back directly inside here into my home dashboard. I'm going to right click into my home dashboard start and go for device manager. Here, I want to look out for the sound section, which is sound, video, and gain control list. Now, right click into the audio device, which in my case should be, for example, this one. And I'm going to go for update the actual driver. I go for search automatically for new drivers, and if there's a new one, let's update this. If it doesn't, what you wanted to do is to look out for the one that is not working correctly, go for uninstall, and restart your actual computer. This will be installing back again directly your new actual driver. Now, if you want to look for a new version of your actual drivers but you don't find it, what you can do is to open a new tab into your computer and look out, for example, with the computer that you currently have. In my case, I have the Asus TUF drivers. So I click for the asus.com, and we have here, for example, the download center. Directly here into my download center, what I usually do is to look out here for my new driver, which in my case, for example, would be for my laptop, and we have the product series. You select the specific drivers, and right here what you need to do is just to download the actual driver that you wanted to install. Usually my all the information I want to know a little bit more about my computer is into the about section. Now we can restart the audio services. For example, we can look out for the element that says services and to the start menu, and directly inside here, open it, find the Windows audio that you can find directly inside here. Directly inside here, I want to right click and select the element that says restart the service. You wanted to do the same for the Windows Audio Endpoint builder, which is directly inside here. And this refreshes the entire audio system without needing to restart your whole PC. If you're still hearing an actual crackling, right click to the speaker icon and select the element that says troubleshoot sound problems. It scans for the most common causes automatically and can catch things you might miss manually. And if anything of this actually works, what I can truly recommend you is to try to contact the manufacturer of your computer to try to find out for some physical damage into your device. So that should clear up the crackling for good. If one of these steps work for you, let me know which one into the comments below, and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.